Pokopia is finally out and I craft 2 dittos that I can use in my game room. Look, how cute is she? And she can wear my screen when I play Pokopia. Put your opinion in the comments if you like it or not. I hope I can inspire you to make things like this. It's very easy. So, thumbs up. And now I show you how I made it. Draw it on a plate. Then you cut it out and be careful for your fingers. And whoops, here goes my camera. So this is the result. I cut the hair 2 times, so I have a relief that is a way look nicer than just a flat plate. Then I have 2 shoes, I make them round, and the hands are also glued together. Now you can put them on the plate and you're ready to paint. Have a lot of fun to make this, and I hope I see you again on my videos. See ya!